again, friends. It's Mrs. Drum here for another lesson on fractions. For this lesson, we are going to be comparing fractions again greater than 1 whole. Let's get started. Look at number 1, letter D, on your problem set. We need to compare 4 5/8 to 19/4. Remember, we can cross multiply to compare, but first we need to change the improper fraction into a mixed number. Remember, to do that, we need to divide. 4 goes into 19 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. 19 minus 16 is 3. 3 is less than 4. There is nothing to bring down, so my remainder is 3. That means that 19/4 is equal to 4 3/4. I can rewrite this now, and I can use cross multiplication to compare the mixed numbers. 8 times 3 is 24. 4 times 5 is 20. I know that 20 is less than 24, so that means that 4 5/8 is less than 4 3/4. Look at number 2, letter A. We need to compare 2 3/5 to 18/17. We need to change the improper fraction into a mixed number. Go ahead and do that. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready to check. So 7 goes into 18 2 times. 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract and I'm left with 4. 4 is less than 7. There's nothing to bring down, so 4 is my remainder. That means my mixed number is going to be 2 4/7. I can go ahead and rewrite the problem and then use cross multiplication to compare. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. 5 times 4 is 20. 7 times 3 is 21. I know that 21 is greater than 20, so that means that 2 3/5 is greater than 2 4/7. Look at number 3, letter C. We need to compare 5 6/10 to 27/5. Convert the improper fraction into a mixed number. Then use cross multiplication to compare. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. So I know that 5 goes into 27 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. When I subtract, I'm left with 2. 2 is less than 5. There's nothing to bring down, so my remainder is going to be 2. That means that my mixed number is going to be 5 2/5. I can rewrite the problem and then compare. To do that, I'm going to cross multiply. 10 times 2 is 20. 5 times 6 is 30. I know that 30 is greater than 20, so 5 6/10 is greater than 5 2/5. Your assignment is to complete letter E, G, and I. Make sure that you check your work with the answer keys at the front of the room. Make corrections if you need to. Then grab an exit ticket. Make sure your name is on it before you turn it in. You did a great job today. Keep it up. I'll see you next time.